Cedro Woolley rush hour Sunday traffic, yo. JK, there's like 3 people in front of me. I mean, this takes forever. Just kidding. I'm playing. Open up a little bit, start to see less people. So the one downside of this Highway 9 route here is that while Highway 9 can be a lot of fun up here, that's assuming you don't have pokey McSlowpokes in front of you. We've been going on average 5 under most of the way since Cedro Woolley. We're almost at 542. Ski shop. They'll do a quick tune and prep, get you ready for the mountain on your way up. Drop it off, go to the Wake and Bakery, get you a coffee and pastry or a breakfast burrito or something while you wait, and then head on your merry the rest of the way. We got Chair 9 Pizza and some condos and rental cabins right here at the edge of Glacier before you are finally in the mountains. Nothing else behind in front of you except adventure. saying it, but oh, all right, I should really chill out because now we am like, oh man, I missed this car. It was down a month for getting rebuilt, then down most of the winter for suspension and broken control arms. Rebuilt the turbo. Loop. We're gonna get stared at by at least one couple. So yeah, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up any of the runs we ski on the average day. Now there's a chairlift just to my left. Chair 3, I think. It's so much different without snow. I've only been up here a couple of times without snow. And it's always been just this quick drive through. We need to stop, camp, hike Artist Point one time. So you can get a trailhead right there, basically. I don't know what overnight camping is like here at Baker, at the ski area lot here. I mean, I know it's basically Forest Service, Discovery Pass, you know, like I said before. There's another little Heather Meadows base area closed today. I am trying to go to the base area. Oh, that's chair 1. Yeah, this is one of my favorite spots right here. I don't hit those cliffs, but I'll hit that chute in the middle. And of course, either side of those cliffs. I don't drop stuff much bigger than 3 or 4 feet these days. That's chair 3 right there you just saw. That's a better view of Shucks in there. That's the Raven. Well, that's not Raven Hut, but Raven Hut's in those trees right there. That's the lodge to go to, Raven Hut, when you're skiing. It's right at the bottom of chair 6. Chair 6 is one of my favorite chairs because it's just got so many different cool ways to come down it. Most of which are black diamond. Pretty sure all of them are at least black diamond now that I say that out loud. Riding along with me today. It's been a fun drive. We didn't get quite as spirited as often as we might have wanted to, but we had a couple of really fun sections on that last bit. Got a chance to pass a couple people here and there, but really it's more about just getting out and doing some driving, enjoying the car. Enjoy we did. So I want to thank y'all for coming along. Tune in next time. Be sure to follow us, like and subscribe, share, of course, all of that good rigmarole. But also, if you're interested in any cyberpunk DJ sets or struggle bus gaming, check me out on Twitch, twitch.tv/DrChaosPhD.